Hey guys, and welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today I'll take another look into the charts, and this will be a really quick video. Yesterday we saw this big liquidation event, and the thing is, I am still scared. And why is that? Well, it's basically because the Nasdaq is correcting right now, the Dixie is pumping, the S&P is dumping, and Bitcoin will correlate with it. This is what we're seeing for the ES1 futures, and the thing is, we should be scared. Look at it, it can be just another tap, of course, on these taps. But the thing is, like, at one point the dip will come, and the question is, will we be able to buy it, or will there be a prolonged bear market? Of course, the Fed will keep printing, but the thing is, still bear markets can happen. We tested, we did a perfect retest yesterday. Fundings are good, big discounts. So let me check real quick the predicted fundings. Are people shorting? That's what we need. We need people to short, and BitMEX is shorting, and fundings all have been reset, and about 32% of open interest has been wiped yesterday, which is perfect. That is really good. Yeah, right now we are correcting a little bit. Sorry guys, I'm about to do a really good interview with somebody, professional trader as well, and yeah, we basically will get to know him, talk about him, and that is about it. Ethereum extremely I mean, Ethereum extremely important level right here. Ethereum BTC, yeah, extremely important level right now as well. Solana, Step, everything, everything really correlates with Bitcoin right now. And that is about it for today. See you guys again tomorrow, and happy trading.